Good morning, I'm Dr. Huang. Today, I'm going to make a short video to explain how to use the Make Me Exam Ready function at ourcourseclassroom.com to help you to prepare for your exam. Before you go to exam, you have two questions to ask. First is what to study. Second is how to find out what I know and what I do not know. Then I can spend my time wisely to prepare for the exam. The Make Me Exam Ready function will help you to answer these two questions. Let's go to the website and then find out what we do. After you log into your course, you will find the menu item, Make Me Exam Ready. Let's click here. Okay. I'm going to close this one. I do not want to see this again. And then I want to create a new self-assessment. You need to ask your professor what will be covered in each exam. And then you can select, for example, if your first exam will cover what you learned in week 1, week 2, and week 3. Then you can make selection of them. And then you can give a name for this self-assessment. I just use the default name, self-assessment 1. Then I will say, click create a self-assessment. Then this exam is ready. It contains 37 test items and the total points is 70. So if I want to take this self-assessment, I will click here. And then I will start to answer this question. All digits or inexact numbers are significant. This is for, I just make a random selection and then I click save my answer. And then I go to the next one. Okay, so in descending order, so which one has more? So I'm going to move this up. So save my answer. Then I'm going to answer all of them. Okay, is a molecular most stable element of iodine. So, and then I'm going to choose this one, save my answer. And then I'm going to work on a few of them. Chemical formula of this uranium 4 chloride. So this will be UCl and then 4. So I'm going to do this and then I click finish my assessment. And then it will confirm, yes, I'm going to submit. Okay, then when I click here, sometimes the system is slow. So let's give a little time. So this is the information. Okay, so the grade, I didn't answer this guys. Then this one, oh, 6 figures of decimals. Yes, I got 100%. I should feel safe about this. And then I will go through all of them and say which one I need to study. Okay, thank you.